If you are looking to buy a home, there are so many important decisions to make, like hiring the right realtor and the right title company. Well, here to help us unlock the keys to a successful home purchase are Jasmina Tarver from Stewart Title Arizona, along with realtor Kelly Cook, team owner of Kelly Cook Real Estate Group. Great to have both of you here. You're partners in this home buying process. And I want to start with you, Kelly, because when you get a realtor, it's such an emotional decision. Why should someone hire you?
A great question. You know, I think it all stems from, I got in this business because I wanted to create a good opportunity for my family. You know, my kids, my wife, they're my big why. The reason I get up and do what I do every single day and work so hard at it. And
there they are on the screen.
Yeah, they're beautiful. They're probably watching right now. So, hey guys. But yeah, I wanted to make sure I provided a great life for them. And so that's why I get up and do what I do every single day. And
now you are helping families get to their dream of getting home ownership. How do you do that for your client?
Great question. One of our biggest things that we do is we make sure we act as if this is a client for life. It's maybe a cliche in some people, but we really take a lot of ownership and pride on not making it transitional or transactional, but that the client knows that they have an advocate, a trusted advisor for life. You know, we have a program set up so that after the transaction is done, we are staying in touch with them. We're providing value for them. We're inviting them to baseball games, movie theaters.
That's awesome. They really become a part of your family.
That's the thing. It's really a family business.
Right. I love that. And you work with Keller Williams, and I know you've earned a lot of distinctions. You've been even in magazines for them. What are some of those high points in your career that you now share with folks that you give home ownership to? Yeah,
good point. And I couldn't go any further at this point without giving a shout out to my business partners, my team. I couldn't do this without them. There's anywhere from 10 to 15 of us at any given time typically, and we work really hard. And based upon that, we've forged some great relationships, and we've earned some awesome awards, and got a chance to be in the magazine for Keller Williams. You know, the 180,000 associates worldwide, and we were featured in that magazine last month. So
and speaking of partnerships, you know, you say you work with Stewart Title because that's a title company that you can trust. And Jasmina, you are one of those who are in there on the front lines as these homeowners get to their dream. Why does someone need title insurance?
Great question, Susan. So title insurance really gives the homeowner a peace of mind. It protects them against things that can arise, title defects post-closing. Some of the things that we see that come up a lot is tax lien, mechanic liens, you know, title fraud, even errors with recordings. So this really helps protect your ownership and interest if anything comes up after post-closing.
And Kelly and his team, they were bragging on Stewart Title because they work with you all so much. Why should someone pick Stewart Title?
Well, Stewart Title is one of the largest title companies in the country. We operate in 80 countries. But at Stewart Title, we're really customer focused. We want to make sure that there's a good experience, and that's our top priority.
And when you talk about an experience, because this can be high, this can be low for a lot of people. Let's talk about that emotional connection that a homeowner needs to have with their realtor and in turn with their title agent.
Yeah, definitely. People buy real estate largely based off emotion. And so we want to connect with the client, and we want to make sure they understand that we're not in this for anything but them having the best experience possible. Their interest really is our only interest. It really is, and we hammer that, and we talk about it as a team, as a company, so that it exudes to the customer when we have a chance to meet with them.
And Jasmina, is that peace of mind what you see too?
Absolutely, and we build long-term relationship that's past, you know, the transaction. So that's really what we're passionate about.
Yeah, long-term relationships that are going to get to the end result, which is getting that home.
Yes.
You two are a great partnership. I understand why. Let's give you some information this morning. If you would like to learn more about Stewart Title Arizona, you can contact them at 602-462-8000, or you can visit their website, stewart.com/SL. And if you would like Kelly Cook Real Estate Group, if you'd like to learn more about them, they have a very special offer for you this morning. You can call today for a complimentary market analysis. That number 480-442-9868, or you can visit their website, kellycookhomes.com.